and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, I was just in Coles supermarket the other day and I saw this, which is PANA organic vegan white chocolate. And since I just did a video on how to make your own healthy vegan white chocolate, I just wondered how it compares to the one I made, like taste-wise and otherwise. So I just got it just to try it. That's the one I bought, and these are just the ones that I made myself. And so I'll just taste it and see. I'll taste mine first. So, well, obviously I really like the one I made, but I just want to see how this compares. Actually, the taste is pretty similar to the one I made. The only major difference, I would say, is that it is a little bit sweeter. Obviously, they've got more sweetener in this one than what I put in mine. But apart from that, the taste is quite similar. And actually, the ingredients are also pretty similar. Except, of course, like I said, the sugar ratio is quite a bit higher. So the advantage of making your own, as opposed to buying it, would be that obviously you can control exactly what you put in. And regarding the sugar, if you really want to make it low sugar, which I do because I have type 1 diabetes, so I got to think about that. And also, for general health, you can actually make your own and make the sugar content a lot lower and to the level that you personally like. And of course, you can add whatever flavors you want. You can color it. You could add nuts or fruits or whatever you like. And also, as I said on my video, you can make it whiter by using coconut butter, or you could use cashew butter and you'll get a more beige looking white chocolate. So you can get a different color variation. The one from PANA is obviously very white, and it does have a very nice white appearance. So the other thing is this block costs about $9, which is quite expensive for a block of chocolate, which is, I think it says 80 grams. And obviously if you make your own, you have to buy cacao butter, which is also expensive in that you get a pack like that for about $25. And out of that you can make quite a lot of batches of white chocolate for yourself. So I would say this is good to buy if you want something that's vegan, and probably it's the best vegan white chocolate in the supermarket right now. And health-wise, it's not too bad. So it is a good choice, but otherwise I'd encourage you to try making your own and check out my video, because you probably will see that it's easier than you think to make your own healthy vegan white chocolate. Try it. You can try this one or go check out my video.